Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss another type of problem on electronic displacement effects. So you can see that in this question we have been given two compounds and asked to identify the most stable compound and state our reasons to make that conclusion. So let's have a quick look at the two compounds given here. We can see this is NO2 CH2 CH2O minus, and here we have CH3 CH2O minus. So you can see that there is almost no difference between these two compounds except the presence of nitro group in this particular structure. So the first thing that we need to identify is what is the effect of having nitro group on this particular compound and whether it is helping in stabilizing or destabilizing the system. Now you can see that NO2 is an electron withdrawing group, that is it withdraws electron from the adjacent carbon atoms. So now also you can see that this particular group CH3CH2 is an alkyl group and exhibits plus I effect, whereas NO2 exhibits minus I effect. Now we also know that plus I effect is favored only when we have an electron deficient system, and minus I effect is favored when we have an electron rich system. So here we can see that this is not an electron deficient site, this is an electron rich system, and obviously the presence of an electron withdrawing group will stabilize this particular system. And again another thing to notice here is that negative charge on oxygen makes it highly reactive or highly unstable, because as we had discussed in case of carbanions, oxygen atom also has very small size and it is very difficult to accommodate this particular negative charge on oxygen atom. Thus, based on all these understanding, we can easily see that structure 1, that is NO2 CH2 CH2O minus, is more stable as compared to CH3 CH2O minus. Why? Because in this electron rich system, NO2 decreases the charge density on oxygen atom via minus I effect, that is inductive effect, whereas CH3 CH2 is essentially alkyl group plus I effect and increases the electron density on oxygen atom, making it highly unstable. I hope this concept is very clear. Thank you.